working on 2017 Ford Fusion, and it works okay. Now, it sounds okay. Right. The trouble is, this is an aftermarket radio. It's not a factory radio, obviously. It has a CarPlay, Android Auto, everything works except when you play music, its sound is low and it pops. Sometimes it crackles. Since the radio comes with a built-in amplifier, rather than replacing or repairing the factory amp, customer decided to just bypass the amp. I'm going to show you how it's going to be done. Alright, this is in the trunk on the passenger side. There is an amplifier. This is a factory amp. And we just want to make sure whether it's the radio or the amp or the speakers, we put aftermarket speakers onto one of the channel and the same thing. So what we're gonna do is, as I said, since this one comes with a built-in amplifier, the factory, the aftermarket Android, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bypass the amp. Luckily, this one has inputs and outputs right side by side, so we don't have to run new wires. We're just going to simply run input wire, which is an output from the Android radio, to the output of a factory amplifier. So again, we don't have to run new wires. That's the output, and we're going to find the same channel on this side, which is an output, and jump it from left to right, I mean right to left. So I'm going to have this DirectX wiring diagram online, because it's kind of hard to tell what's what, and you can just jump it from here over to this, and everything's going to work fine. Alright, so as I said, we crossed the left input, right output, put them together, and that's in and out. Now, turn the volume up. Volume.